Hey, what's up everyone? Daniel here. Today I'm going to show you how to scan your PC for viruses and keep your device running smoothly like a charm. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got Windows Defender, your PC's built-in security, and it's totally free. Click that start button and tap Windows Security. From the list, hit Windows Security to open it up. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This is where the magic happens. Now, if you are in a hurry, hit Quick Scan, and Windows Defender will do a speedy check of your system for any threats looking around. But if you want to be thorough, click Scan Options. You can do full scan to check for files and running programs on your hard disks. Custom Scan, choose files and locations you want to check. Or better still, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Choose the level of scan you want and click Scan Now. And just like that, Windows Defender will find and destroy any viruses trying to mess with your PC. No threats found, which should be good. Your computer is back to being a smooth operator. Now, let's get things up with a free third-party tool that is best at catching those sneaky, hard-to-find viruses, Malwarebytes. First thing first, head over to malwarebytes.com. Download the free version. I'm going to save this to download. Click Saved. Download is complete. Head over to wherever you have it downloaded. Mine is in the download folder. Double click the setup. Click Install. Choose for me or my household. Click Next. Add browser guard. Keep this for now. Once it's installed, click Open Malwarebytes. Click Get Started. Malwarebytes Premium. Since we are up to the free version, click Maybe Later. And click Start Trial. Click that. Click Get Started. Trial expires in 14 days. Now to scan your PC, smash that scan button. Malwarebytes will dig deep into your system, finding and removing threats Windows Defender might have missed. It's like having an extra layer of armor for your PC. Scan is complete. Let's view the scan report. Click View Scan Report. Code items detected. Scan result completed. Let's poke here and see. Well, we should be good. And that's it. That's how you scan your PC for viruses. 2 powerful and free ways to scan your Windows PC for viruses and keep it running like a boss. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe.